So welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I'm at Dollar Tree. You guys know I like going to various Dollar Trees at different times. They all have different stuff. But I see that this one has the scraper. And I'm looking because they have a few different other ones. And I was trying to see if it was different colors. You guys probably know purple's my favorite color, and there's one left, so thank you. That one's for me. Thank you, universe. And then this one is the tool, the weeding tool. I've been using my dental utensil, and I love it. It works well for me, but I'm going to try this just to see how it's going to work. And I will see what else they have. I see they also have this craft spatula. I've seen people use this for like card making. When they're using their poster board and cardstock, getting it off the mat. This kind of tool has been helpful, so I'm going to grab one of those. And I want to say there's nothing else that I need, but I probably didn't need those things. So it is what it is. But let's see if there's anything else. Like the craft clamps that you see at the top. I love those. I like those for making the memo pad sets. So if you can get some of those are really good. Fat quarters are also good for crafting. When you're sewing, appliques, things like that. Fat quarters are amazing for that. I'm trying to see. Oh, they have little bead kits. I haven't seen the new bracelet bead kits. I haven't seen those before, so that's nice. I'm trying to see what else might be nice for you guys. I personally like watching other people's Dollar Tree videos, so I want to give you guys something to look at as I'm shopping. If there's anything else that I can see that I think is helpful, I will try to pick that up. The finger protectors might be good. Not sure what they might be good for. But they might be helpful. And then of course the cracker square section. Now those scissors, those little pink scissors, those scissors are pretty good. So don't sleep on those if you can get those. Those are really good to have. Alright, I'm going to check some other things out and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, I'm so excited. I have been waiting for these to get here. I'm trying to see if I can open it with one hand. I don't think I will be able to, but I'm getting one of these because I've been waiting on these. These are the, you've seen the caboodles, and this is the other version, but it has a mirror. So this is it open, and it opens and closes that way, and so I'm definitely getting one of these. I think these would be great, especially for like Mother's Day and things coming up. This is an amazing thing to have. You can order them online, but I'm going to get one of these today. Okay, so if anybody wanted to know about the shot glasses, they are really hard to find. Again, you can order them. I think I've said that before. You can order them, but they're definitely hard to find in the store. If you order them, you have to order them by cases. But they are listed as dessert glasses. They also have some really pretty blue ones here. So those should be nice to try something on. Okay, this is really cute. I've seen these before that people are making them, and I want to learn how to make them myself. But this is a bank, and it's different ones. Treat yourself, unicorn fun, saving for a race car, and then mermaid fun. So these are really cute. But I want this one, and I need to get my butt out of here because I'm picking up stuff I don't need.